Want to make money online, but don't know where to start? These 5 free AI tools can help you launch a side hustle, build content, or offer services, even if you have zero experience. First, Canva's new Magic Studio. It lets you design logos, social media posts, and product mockups using AI prompts. You can start freelancing on Fiverr or sell digital products fast. ChatGPT is your writing assistant for emails, blogs, captions, and more. You can offer content writing, resume editing, or even create ebooks to sell online. Use Pictory to create faceless YouTube videos or short ads for businesses. No filming or editing needed, just drop your script, and the AI does the rest. You can even start your own YouTube automation channel. Want to sell AI art or print-on-demand merch? Leonardo lets you generate beautiful, unique images that you can sell on Etsy, Redbubble, or use for branding clients. Finally, Tidio gives you an AI chatbot for businesses. Offer chatbot setup as a service, or use it to boost conversions if you're selling something yourself. These AI tools remove the guesswork and the startup cost. Use them smartly, and you can turn free tools into real income streams. Subscribe to Gearbyte Media for more weekly AI tools and online business hacks.